City now, where officials are focusing on 2 new COVID clusters on Staten Island.
And the city is sending in extra resources to avoid a major outbreak. CBS 2's Jenna DeAngelis live now at St. George Ferry Terminal with more on this. Jenna?
Christina, Maurice, the city plans to put a rapid testing site here at the ferry terminal. The idea is you come in, you get tested. If you test positive, there'll be contact tracers here to walk you through the next steps. This is just part of the city's plan to tackle the spike in 2 zip codes on Staten Island.
In this case, in your case, we've caught it early, and we will do everything in our power to deploy resources and join the fight with you by your side.
That's the head of the city's Test and Trace Corps with a message to Staten Island, where 2 zip codes have surpassed a 3% positivity rate, 10305 and 10314.
The kind of increase that makes us concerned, that needs that very hyper-local approach that we used in Sunset Park, in Soundview, in Southeast Queens successfully.
That hyper-local response, more than 70 Test and Trace Corps staff on the ground encouraging testing, masks, and social distancing, 10 new testing sites, and a new rapid testing site at St. George Ferry Terminal next week. Mayor de Blasio says this is more isolated than the recent outbreak we saw in Brooklyn and Queens.
Not something that at this moment would trigger restrictions. That's obviously the state's decision. Something that we think can be handled quickly with a lot of community involvement.
We need to see them, that they're doing that, not just, saying in a press conference.
The owner of Molto Carino Salon, located in one of those zip codes, holding the city and community accountable, worried this could get worse.
If they're going to shut down more of the, businesses again, I don't think we're going to reopen again.
At this testing site, a staff member told us they conducted more than 100 tests Wednesday. That's about triple they see on a given day. The mayor says the uptick here hasn't been traced to a specific source, but believes fatigue is a big factor. We asked those who live and work on Staten Island what they think.
I guess people are not doing what they're supposed to do. They're not wearing their mask.
My opinion is so-and-so. I don't think that we really have to wear a mask unless you're very close to someone.
Hopefully everybody will wear their masks and try to stay socially distant, and we can bring it back down.
The rapid test site here at the ferry terminal is set to open next Thursday. Along with that, the city is partnering with the neighboring outlets to be a PPE distribution site. We're live in the St. George section of Staten Island. Jenna DeAngelis, CBS 2 News.
All right, Jenna, thank you.